Welcome to the August 2024 issue of MSW magazine. On the cover, Grand Strand Water and Sewer Authority tackled a massive project to boost their transmission system's capacity. Read about their challenges along the way, including tidal wetlands, pyrite rock, major flooding, and directional drilling under a river. Orange County Sanitation dealt with I&I by grouting sewer joints instead of lining entire pipes. Learn how they tackled unexpected challenges and the innovative techniques used for efficient inflow and infiltration reduction. But did their approach save money? Read on to find out. Engaging children in fun and interactive ways can be incredibly effective in teaching important concepts like water conservation. Read about one California water district's online detective challenge for a clever example of gamification. Did you know that more than 400,000 workers end up in emergency rooms annually due to tool-related injuries? Learn practical tips to mitigate risks and ensure every job ends safely. Check out how municipalities tackle sewer system challenges with innovative tools. From rapid acoustic assessment in Gainesville to comprehensive GIS integration in Alexander City and pinpoint I&I detection in Payson. Speaking of innovative tools, you'll find the latest in pipeline inspection, surveying, and mapping solutions in the product focus. Check out how hybrid electronic and hydraulic valve control systems can prevent overflows and safeguard against power outages. Head to page 34 for some tech talk. Municipalities are tackling tricky sewer inspections with the VeriSight Ultra from EnviroSight. This cutting-edge push camera offers wireless operation, high-definition video, and flexible viewing options, making it perfect for complex lateral pipe inspections. All this and more can be found in the upcoming issue. Thank you for watching, and thank you for reading MSW. See you next month.